Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Himanshu Sharma. A lot of our students working in TCS from the past 1 or 2 years have texted us saying that, sir, TCS digital exam, which had to happen in the month of July, no, sir, has been preponed and now we will have the exam in April. That is hardly 1 month from now. Okay, so the previous digital exam for internal hiring had happened in the month of Jan, where the pattern of the paper was they had 20 questions on quant, 15 questions on verbal, 15 questions on reasoning, and 2 questions on coding, where one was quite easy and one was moderate. They cleared the first round. The second round was the coding, advanced coding round. So over here also many of our students cleared, and then they had the HR interview. They cleared the HR interview and their profile was upgraded to digital. Okay, so now keeping all this in mind, there are many of our students who are approached us on this. So we have designed a program which will help you in cracking TCS digital with ease. I repeat, with ease, very easily. Okay, so this program is a very comprehensive program where we will be training you on aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal aptitude, as well as analytical reasoning, plus interview training, HR, for around 80 hours of life. We will be training you on technical for 100 hours. Okay, where first 10 hours will be training you on basics, how interpreter compiler works, what are preprocessor directives, simple programs like factorial of a number, all those stuffs. After that 50 hours will be revising, or we will be focusing on each and every topic. Let it be array, strings, pointers, functions, data structures, which has stacks, queues, linked list, graphs, C++ concepts. After that, we will also be training you for competitive programming, and 30 hours we will be training you with respect to company specific coding. Because what we train and what they ask in companies are completely different. Though you will be knowing the concept, but how to apply that in problem statement when they ask in coding round. This is what we will be focusing for 30 hours. So 100 hours of technical and around 80 to 100 hours of aptitude, soft skill, verbal reasoning and all. So all this almost 200 hours of training program we will be conducting from tomorrow at the most affordable price which you can imagine. Along with this, we will be providing you one-to-one mock HR interviews. We will also be helping you out with providing backup classes. Many of our students are like, sir, we are working night shifts, few are working in day shift, so we'll not have the time. So we will provide you backup classes which you can watch any time of the day and learn. We will also be providing you app access where you can practice chapter wise assessments. Chapter wise you can take up test, chapter wise you can practice mock papers, previous year TCS papers, all the resources at your fingertips. Okay, so this training program which will start from tomorrow, all of you can register for it. I will leave the link in the description. Also, if you have any doubt, smallest of the smallest doubt, I will also leave my personal WhatsApp number. You can leave a message to me over there, or you can feel free to call me and ask your doubts if needed. So hope to see you all tomorrow at the workshop, which will start. Okay, so live training classes from 5:30 to 7, technical 7:30 to 9:30 will be aptitude. Any doubt, please post it. Take good care of yourselves, keep smiling, and have a great day, people. Bye bye.